and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Today is WIP Caddy Wednesday. So I'm going to show off a little bit of things that you guys are working on and some things that I have been working on. And I'd like to say I hope everyone has had a wonderful Merry Christmas and a wonderful Happy New Year. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I will start with some Happy Mail. So I received this beautiful card from Terry Lynn. Look at that. It's just beautiful. So thank you so much for that. I really appreciate what you have wrote on the inside. Just really love that. Oh, and her YouTube channel is all yarned up. So go check her out. So it's just beautiful. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And the next card that I got, they have a YouTube channel as well. This is Annette, and it's Pastel Dreams. I love this card. It's beautiful too. Look at that. This actually looks like a scene in North Little Rock. It says, well, I'm not really sure where this one is at. It says what the copyright is, but it sure looks like the bridge that we have in, actually North Little Rock rather. But Annette with Pastel Dreams, she sent me this. Isn't it beautiful? I just love it. So thank you so much for that. I appreciate it. So that's just beautiful. Okay, I just want to say thank you, ladies, for that. I love my cards. Okay, so I guess I can show you what I have finished. I did a tutorial, so I'll leave the link to that. It's to make this baby doll pillow. I made 2 of the pillows here. And I put these little scalloped shell stitches around them. So I think it's really cute. And here is the blanket. I measured it to fit an 18-inch doll, but really it's for most all little baby dolls anyway. And you just, you know, kind of wrap them up. But here's the blanket. So let's look at the cool yarn that I used for that. I am in the middle of making the other blanket. This is going to Charlie Mae, but I did put out my PDF pattern and I did put out a YouTube tutorial, guys. But this is how much I've gotten done so far for the next blanket. So I'm going to make 2 of these for her. And I'm using an H hook. That's a 5.0 millimeter crochet hook. This is a thin yarn. This was 590 yards, and this is how much I have left out of the 590. So I'm figuring maybe about 400 yards, maybe not quite 400, but you know, close to that. And so this salmon color yarn, it's called Deep Pink Coral. I got this from, I think, Michael's maybe. It's the Loops and Thread. And it's a medium 4-weight yarn, but it's more like a thin 4-weight. And it is 79% acrylic and 21% polyester. And then this color is called Aqua. So, but aren't they neat with those little flecks in them, little specks there? I just think that's so neat. So that's the 2 that I'm just about finished with that one blanket, but that's my latest tutorial and my latest PDF pattern that I have on Etsy. So I'm having fun with that. Charlie Mae will be 1 year old, January 6th, and so we're having a big birthday party for her here. And I'm not quite sure what I want her gift to be, but I did make her some baby blankets because at Christmas I got her the little American Girl doll, the Bitty Baby. What's it called? The Bitty Baby, I guess. Anyway, we got her that, and my daughter I had saved her baby doll bed, the little tights of pink with the pull-out white drawer, and so I got it all cleaned up and everything, gave that to her at Christmas for all her future little baby dolls. Anyway, so I wanted to start with making some little blankets for it. Okay, so the other thing is I've been working on something for Knox now. He'll be 3 in March. And so I plan on making these 3 characters for him, and then I'm going to make a basket to put them in. So I've got Buzz Lightyear done. My daughter actually bought the pattern for these characters, and it came with Buzz, Jess, and Woody. But there's Buzz. So I think he's pretty cool. I hope he knows what it is. And I'm using I believe it's a 2.0 millimeter. Yes, it's a 2.0 millimeter crochet hook for that. And I'm just using big twist yarns, medium full weight yarns. And so let's look at the pattern for that. It is Tatiana Medvedeva. At Instagram is @_knit_toys. But this is it right here. Okay, so the one that I'm going to be working on next is Jessie and Woody. And then here it is. I hope she has the braided pigtail in the back. I looked on the pattern and I didn't really see it, but then I just kind of browsed it kind of quick anyway. If not, I'm going to add a braided pigtail in the back. So, but anyway, I'm looking forward to that, and I want to check because I just wasn't sure. I don't think he has a cow print thing. I'm gonna look at that on kind of Google that. All right, the other thing is I got some yarn from Hobie, and Hobie actually sent this to me, so thank you so much, Hobie. I plan on making a shawl with this, and it's the Black Friday Cotton Cake, 100% cotton. Look at that. I have 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, yes, 4 of these. Isn't it just beautiful? I've been wanting to try this out in like forever. And so I'm pretty excited over this. Matter of fact, I can't quit smiling. I'm so excited over it. It's a fine 2/8. You know, that would make some great socks. I found come across a pattern for crochet socks that takes a 2 fine weight. I know I'm making a shawl, but I think I might could do that and make the socks. Okay, so I like it. It has a pull tab. Let's see what else it says about this. I said it was 100% cotton 2/8. Okay, 874 yards in here. And they recommend a 3.5 to 4 millimeter crochet hook. Oh, here it is. The color is 04. And I had one of these sort of pulled already a little bit. I wanted to show you. Maybe it's this one. Here we go. Let's see if you can see that. So the strands are kind of separated. So, yeah. So I guess if I wanted to double it up, I could just use 2 cakes. But I'm not. I'm going to try and use the 2 fine and see what I can do. All right, so I do have a pattern in mind for a shawl that I plan on making with that, but I just think it's so cool. But I'll leave the link below for this Black Friday cotton cake, if they still have it. I just think it's so cool. Look at that. All righty, guys, let's see. Oh, and see, I have my granny. This was a gift to me. Thank you very much. I am loving this. I have this baby. When I have company, I just pick her up, take her to my yarn room, and when company's gone, I bring her back out. I even stuck in some sticky notes right here, and but there she is. Oh, this is my hair tie when I want to pull my hair back. I don't know why I have 2 scissors. I really only need 1 pair of scissors in there. And that's to file my nails. In case the nail gets kind of clippy or something while I'm crocheting, I can just file it real quick. So, I just love her. And I technically have not given her a name. I just call her my granny. So, I just like, well, I got to go move grandma, you know. And, or here comes granny. I mean, I just call her between those 2 names, just kind of back and forth. So, I'm on row 39 on this blanket baby doll blanket, and I've got to go to row 80, I believe, and I'll be done with that. Well, then I have to put the shells around it. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and see what you have been up to. Okay, so here we have Winnie's. She says, "Hi, Pamela. I wanted to show my WIPs for this on the top of the chair as a blanket for her granddaughter's birthday that is in January. My granddaughter's is in January as well." On the left is the head of an axolot. She says that she hopes to have done by the weekend. In the right is her first ever basket, and she said she's not real happy with it, for she is going to do another one for practice. And last but not least, she's made a beanie for her brother-in-law. She said, "I would like to have the pattern for the washcloth." She was done with the soap bars. "I hope everyone had a great Christmas and will have a safe New Year." Well, Merry Christmas to you, Winnie, and Happy New Year to you. And I am loving that yellow that is on the top of your chair. That is beautiful. Okay, that is some beautiful things. All right, let's go ahead and do our By Still Waters. This was given to me from Doris. She used to have a YouTube channel called Rose Cottage Studio, and she left me a beautiful note in here, and I appreciate that, Doris, very, very much. So today is, let's see, does this go by days? Oh, okay. It goes by how many days. I'm going to have to, that's okay. I will just read it each time that I get on here and go by that. So, okay. It says, "The real deal. I no longer call you servants, because a servant does not know his master's business. Instead, I have called you friends. For everything that I learned from my Father, I have made known to you." That's John 15:15. All our lives we search for at least one good and one true and loyal friend, don't we? Yes, we do. One who loves us lavishly without reservation. One who doesn't pretend to love us because we have something to offer in return. Fame, money, prestige, favors, or business prospects. One who knows us truly all the way through, even those sorry, sinful parts, and loves us anyway. One who's in relationship for the long haul, no matter what. In case you haven't known the truest, dearest friend, it is Jesus of Nazareth. He's the real deal. He is the most intimate friend you'll ever find, the most trusted confidant you'll ever tell your secrets to, and the most cherished of lovers, right down to your very soul. And Jesus not only wants to be with you for here and now, but for all time. Now that's true love. So seek the friendship, embrace the love, the mercy, and the grace of Christ. It's right here waiting for you. Oh Lord, thank you for loving me and for calling me friend. Amen. Oh wow, that is just beautiful. And I hope that touched you. I hope that helped you, and that you needed this today. So anyway, that's all that I have, guys. Just stay tuned for more tutorials that I have coming up. And I thank you guys for getting me over the 30K. I appreciate that. I will be having a giveaway for that. It will be for United States and worldwide, or it will be worldwide. United States and worldwide. It will be worldwide. So look forward to that. And yeah, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.